What's up friends, welcome to Spec World. In this video I am going to compare the iPhone 14 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So let's see which phone is the best. Performance is the most important factor for smartphones. The operating system of 14 Pro Max comes with iOS 16 while the S23 Ultra comes with Android 13. As a result, both operating systems have their fans. So which OS do you love? Write in the comment below. The chipset of 14 Pro Max is Apple A16 Bionic, which is 4nm, and the chipset of S23 Ultra is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is 4nm. As a result, both are considered as equal. The CPU of 14 Pro Max is hexa-core 3.46 GHz and the CPU of S23 Ultra is octa-core 3.36 GHz. The winner is 14 Pro Max. The GPU of 14 Pro Max is Apple GPU 5 core graphics and the GPU of S23 Ultra is Adreno 740. As a result, both are considered equal. Both the iPhone 14 Pro Max and S23 Ultra support 5G network. As a result, both are equal. Display is very important for having a better user experience. The screen type of 14 Pro Max is LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED, while the screen of S23 Ultra is Dynamic AMOLED 2X. As a result, both are equal. The refresh rate of 14 Pro Max and S23 Ultra are 120Hz. As a result, both are equal. The highest screen brightness of 14 Pro Max is 2000 nits, while the highest brightness of S23 Ultra is 1750 nits. The winner here is 14 Pro Max. The screen size of 14 Pro Max is 6.7 inches and the screen to body ratio is 88.3%, while the screen size of S23 Ultra is 6.8 inches and the screen to body ratio is 89.9%. As a result, both are considered as equal. The screen resolution of 14 Pro Max is 1290 by 2796 pixels and the resolution of S23 Ultra is 1440 by 3088 pixels. So the winner here is S23 Ultra. The pixel density of 14 Pro Max is 460 ppi and the pixel density of S23 Ultra is 500 ppi. The winner here is S23 Ultra. The screen protection of 14 Pro Max is ceramic shield glass and the protection of S23 Ultra is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. As a result, both are equal. The memory is very important for storing more files and apps. The iPhone 14 Pro Max comes with 128, 256 and 512 GB and 1 TB internal storage options, while the S23 Ultra comes with 256 and 512 GB and 1 TB storage. As a result, both have maximum equal storage. RAM of 14 Pro Max comes with 6 GB option, while the RAM of S23 Ultra comes with 8 and 12 GB options. The winner is S23 Ultra. Both the 14 Pro Max and the S23 Ultra does not support external memory. As a result, no points for both phones. Camera is another key factor for choosing a better phone. The 14 Pro Max has triple camera, which includes 48 megapixel wide camera with 1.8 aperture rate, 12 megapixel telephoto camera with 2.8 aperture rate, and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with 2.2 aperture rate, while the S23 Ultra has quad camera, which includes 200 megapixels wide camera with 1.7 aperture rate, 10 megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 4.9 aperture rate, 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 2.4 aperture rate, and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with 2.2 aperture rate. So the winner here is S23 Ultra. The highest video recording quality of 14 Pro Max is 4K at 60 fps, while the highest video quality of S23 Ultra is 8K at 30 fps. So the winner here is S23 Ultra. The selfie camera of 14 Pro Max is 12 megapixel with 1.9 aperture rate, while the selfie camera of S23 Ultra is also 12 megapixel but with 2.2 aperture rate. So the winner here is 14 Pro Max. The highest front video quality of 14 Pro Max is 4K at 60 fps, while the front video quality of S23 Ultra is 4K at 60 fps. So both are equal. Battery is very important for most smartphone users. The battery capacity of 14 Pro Max is 4323 mAh, while the battery of S23 Ultra is 5000 mAh. So the winner here is S23 Ultra. The 14 Pro Max supports 27 watt wired charging and 15 watt wireless charging, while the S23 Ultra supports 45 watt wired charging and 15 watts wireless charging. As a result, both are considered as equal. The USB port of 14 Pro Max is Lightning 2.0, while the port of S23 Ultra is Type-C 3.2. As a result, both are considered as equal. Let's see the body design. The body design of 14 Pro Max is 160.7 by 77.6 by 7.9 mm, while the size of S23 Ultra is 163.4 by 78.1 by 8.9 mm. As a result, there are slight differences in dimensions, but in general both are considered as equal. The 14 Pro Max comes with IP68 rating, which is dust and water resistant up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, while S23 Ultra comes with IP68 rating, which is dust and water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. As a result, both are considered equal. The sensor of 14 Pro Max is Face Lock ID, and the S23 Ultra comes with under-display fingerprint sensor. As a result, this feature of both phones are considered as equal. Finally, price is a decision-making factor for buyers, so let's see the estimated prices in different markets. As a result, based on current market prices, the S23 Ultra is cheaper. You can check out the current lowest prices and detailed information of both phones through the links in the description of this video. Thank you for watching till this moment, and now is the time to announce the final winner. But before announcing the winner, please like, comment and subscribe the Spec World channel for our upcoming videos. Based on the technical aspects, the iPhone 14 Pro Max got total 18 points, while the S23 Ultra got total 22 points. So the winner of this comparison is actually Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.